Today, we're discussing something that might not be the most thrilling topic, but hey, it's super important if you're in the trucking game. MCS-150 filing compliance. If you're scratching your head right now, don't worry, you're not alone. It's one of those things that can feel like you're trying to solve a puzzle without all the pieces. So what is this MCS-150 thing anyway? It's a form that trucking companies need to update every 2 years. This keeps your information with the FMCSA current. Imagine it like updating your profile on social media. Except, instead of likes and comments, it's all about staying compliant and keeping those wheels rolling on the highway. It's also important to note that the MCS-150 form collects details about your fleet size, types of vehicles, and contact information. This data helps the FMCSA monitor safety and compliance trends across the industry. Accurate and up-to-date information can prevent unnecessary audits or notices. So, taking the time to review your details carefully is well worth it. Now, you might be wondering, what happens if I don't update it? Well, skipping this step could mean trouble, like hefty fines, or even worse, getting your operating authority revoked. And nobody wants their trucking business stuck in park, right? Staying on top of this is like having a clean slate in a game, essential for keeping things running smoothly. Filing this stuff might seem like trying to read a book in a foreign language. The form asks questions about your business that can feel like a pop quiz you weren't prepared for. It's crucial to get it right, because making a mistake is like taking a wrong turn with no GPS. Remember, even if your business hasn't changed much in the last 2 years, you still need to file the MCS-150. Failing to submit the form, even if nothing has changed, is considered non-compliance. Think of it like renewing a license. You might not need anything new, but the update keeps your records valid and your business legally operating. And here's where we come in. We know it can be a lot, and that's why we're here to help. We've helped countless folks just like you make sense of the complex world of trucking compliance. So, if this feels a bit overwhelming, reach out to Moving Authority. We make it easier so you can keep on trucking without a hitch. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Before we wrap up, let's drive home the point. Keeping up with MCS-150 compliance is about more than just following rules. It's about protecting your business and ensuring its future on the open road. So do yourself a favor and make this a priority. Because at the end of the day, keeping your business on track means more miles, less stress, and more success.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.